Hello everyone, welcome once again to another hosting and web development related tutorial by Team Slidescope. In this part you can see this is a very basic static website, a landing page of Hospital Management Information System ERP, and important thing you can see it is hosted on a subdomain, but it is hosted for free without any charges, and it is hosted on Cloudflare. We have created a worker here, and in this worker we have added a custom domain. So how to set this up we will learn in this tutorial. How to create, you can see this particular website is a index.html static page that we created just for testing, and then we uploaded it on our custom domain. If you don't have domain, then also I will tell you Cloudflare will provide you a a worker domain like this, which you can use to see your worker online. So you can use domain like this as well. So let's get it started and see how it will work. So let's say you have a website, a static website like this. So I have created a simple static website, and it can have a hero section, your features, your services or modules, etc. Whatever. So it is just for demo purpose. And let's say I want to host this particular website for free. Now we will see how to host it on Cloudflare. In Cloudflare, just go to cloudflare.com, and from here login. Create your free account and just log in. Once you will log in, you will see an account like this. Here you have to search for workers and pages. So when you are inside workers and pages, you can see request today 0 of 1 lakh. So here we have limits request today of observability events today, whatever it is. Currently everything is 0. We don't have any workers or pages. Here we will create an application. Now here you can see upload your static files. So we will click and upload this static HTML file that we have. It's a simple file which has all the CSS, whatever CSS is needed, everything is in this particular site or in this particular page itself. On the other hand, if you have external CSS or CSS files also, so you can host that as well. It will support a static website, static CSS, JavaScript, but it will not support dynamic programming languages like PHP or Java or Python. So we will upload a static file. Here you have to click and upload that file. You can even upload a folder, but since we have only one file we are testing, so you can see it is 5 KB, and here you can see a worker name is given. So based on my account, this worker name will be given. Here is some advanced setting like asset directory, auto trailing trash, not found handling. So let's say if there is, if someone types a page that is not found, so you can use a 404 page single page. It's a single page application, whatever you want to write, and we will simply deploy. Now you can see domains, workers, and everything is there, and this particular URL is there, and you can now see within 2 minutes website is live. The static website is live. Let's say you have a custom domain, so you can also use a custom domain here. It will be very easy to use a custom domain. You just click here and you will see add a custom domain or add a root. Like you have some custom domain, you want to add some root in that domain. So let's try adding a custom domain. Now here you can see variables in secrets, define the environment variable, trigger event, etc. These things are given, and your general name is given. when we are trying to add a custom domain. So here we will simply click here, and here we can click domains. Now you can see production URL is this, and no custom domains are added here. We will add a domain. I have some domains that are already added to Cloudflare account, so I will select them, and I will call hmisdemo.slidescope.in just for testing, and I will add it. So if you want to learn how to add a domain to Cloudflare account, we have another tutorial. I will provide the link in description. But here you can, once you have an added domain in your same account, you can use this particular, or you can, you know, add this particular domain for this created free domain. And now it is created. Let's try to run it now. Will it open? And when we are running it, now you can see it is opening our own website. Important thing, this website is hosted for free on Cloudflare. Important thing, when you have to add a domain, just go to your account domain overview section and click add domain. From here you can connect a domain, type something like whatever is the name of your domain, and you can see doesn't appear to be a registered domain, but you will click connect domain anyway, because let's say you bought this domain. Now Cloudflare will give you you will select free plan here, and Cloudflare will give you two name servers for it. Okay, here you can see all things are there. Obviously it is not able to read any records, but if you will proceed, it will give you two name servers that you will add in your DNS records from where you have bought your domain. Let's say you have bought your domain from GoDaddy. So whatever first of all, Cloudflare will be able to read your records, A name records, C name records, all type of records that are already mapped with your domain. It will be able to read, and then it will give you two name server records to add there, or some DNS records to add there, and then it will be connected. So that's why in your domain overview, if you will click back to domains, you will see here obviously this is not valid, so I will remove it from my Cloudflare. And this is how you can add a domain name, because my domain name is hosted elsewhere. Like if you will visit this website, this is hosted on another hosting service. Like you can see this domain is here. I upload tutorials, Java, CSS, Node, Python, MySQL, Python Pandas, Matplotlib. Now we are working on Dart also. So you can see this is hosted on another hosting. But when this domain was added here, so now I can manage its subdomains, and I can create some workers here. So you can see workers and pages here, and those workers and pages that I have created, I can, you just saw that I can install static websites in them. So this was the tutorial. If you have any suggestions or questions, you can ask them in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. See you in another video related to hosting, web development, AI, data analytics, or digital marketing.